This side.
No, directly in front. Front bush?
The dark green or light green further back?
No, just in front, 20 feet away. The bushy bush.
The bushy bush.
The green one. It's behind that main bush there, 20 feet away from the block.
Hello there guys and girls. Today's video is from the National Airsoft event run by 01.
Okay. Slightly further back, the further bush, we've got lots of them moving up that hill.
So myself and Casey have joined up with a group of deltas at the moment. We are holding back the others. Now just behind us is the trenches and the nest, and our objective is going to be dropped off about 1:30. It's about 12:30, 1 o'clock at the moment. We're just holding them back as long as possible. In this video I'm using my WE MSK or ACR Masada, depending on what you want to call it. I've just dropped a new marble rubber in this, and it's finally getting some range. So you can see that in the zoom cam that I'm overhooking a little bit, but that's good for this situation as the enemy are quite a good distance away.
Moving in front, moving in front! Close bush, closest bush. There you go, just out. Movement on your left!
Hey, Delta!
This bush, this bush! Pardon?
So guys,
okay.
I'd love to hear what you thought of the National Airsoft event, Ground Zero. If you went, if you didn't, if you had a good experience, I'd love to hear all your little war stories. I had such a great time over the weekend shooting people and camping. Met some really nice people, had some really good stories and a couple of beers with people. I want to know if you did too.
Okay, there are Deltas in there now. I've got rounds coming through from the lads behind the fernbow. Got the one in the bush, case. It was Sheila. Whoops. One of the guys from our regular site. Yeah, there's a load of them down there. If you don't take, yeah, good. Nice shooting. We got two from down there. You stripped it.
So as you can hear there, Casey has just stripped his Mark 22 Scar by Classic Army. It's brand new. Unfortunately, he's just stripped his piston.
Yeah.
Casey's going to do for me now is he's going to bomb up all my high caps with some more BBs so I can continuously lay down good suppressing fire on the others and try and suppress them back into the bushes.
What's in this 2.5? Yeah. Oh!
Aim higher.
didn't even connect. Yeah! Got mags again. Mags for days.
Just say, if you cut me BBs, whatever BBs, I'll load these up.
And 2, please. Whenever you need to go, let me know. Oh. You got another mag for me, yeah, Case?
You can see here some of Casey's flash mags don't properly sit in the gun. They need a really good push in to connect, and I keep forgetting to do that.
Cool. Got the VIP! Movement back in that bus! Hey! You got him in the head.
As you can see through the zoom cam, so many of the enemy are piling up at the moment just at that bottom of the tree line. We're really holding back as much as we possibly can at the moment, trying to keep them away, get our objective done.
Oh, on what side? This side. Is he in that bush? Yep.
To remind you guys, Casey isn't dead. So you're giving me targets to shoot at, but he's still in play. He's not dead. He hasn't been shot out yet. If you'd like to know a bit more about the I.C.U, I'm going to post up an update and information video about it this week.
Oh, he knows what's coming. He's getting wise. He like puts his head up and he sees the barrel and he goes. Ah, beautiful. Beautiful.
To wrap this video up, guys, thank you very much for watching and putting through with a long video. Let me know what you thought of the Weekender. I had a phenomenal time, and I will be back next year. Marshalling was great, the shop was great, pub was great, music was awesome.
Pardon?
Absolutely fantastic weekend. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you next time.
Oh, hit Delta!